I can take him on. I don't give a shit how strong he is.
No, you can't look at yourself. You lost your arm. Your cannon is damaged from that impact. And your hoist box is badly damaged. And your outfit is ruined. Also, this is just your 1.0 form. You need to leave that area now.
So you figure out how to get the ToolBox engine. It was difficult, but yeah, I did when Nilsson was knocked out. From that unknown impact, I decided to get some DNA of the energy. We can give our Titan the energy to give him some strength, to get more combat in battle.
Now we can give our Titan the energy. We've got to wait for him to get back though, so let's just test out this energy first.
You're probably right. Let's just do that first. We can probably give it to some of our weapons to give it some energy.
What I'm saying, our Titan got out of hand and got really badly injured from an unknown explosion from Bill's maybe.
Attention, guns, the Titan is back from the battlefield. Location of City 1453.
Why does it look like that with you, Bill? You said you could do it, but I guess not.
But boss, it wasn't.
Shut it. You lied to me with that useless, pathetic talk of yours.
It wasn't my fault you took my first minigun, and it also wasn't him that caused that explosion.
That is the reason why you fucked us all. They have our technology now because of you, piece of shit.
I'm sorry, boss.